Happy day to everyone. I am Teacher MJ and this is my first ever YouTube vlog. Okay, the contents of my videos are actually intended for my students, most especially in this present situation that we are under the threat of COVID-19. Since we teachers are still working from home and preparing for the coming school year, at dahil nga po ulit ay preparation time po ito for us, I thought of making YouTube vlogs for my students. Di ko naman po sinasabi na hindi pa alam ng lahat ng mga bata ang magiging laman ng mga vlogs ko. Pero I am just trying to provide videos for those who are not yet familiar with this kind of content. And yung mga magiging laman po or yung mapapanood po sa aking mga vlogs ay hindi lang po para sa mga estudyante. It's good for everyone. I will be choosing different topics in English that I think are very common, yet we sometimes forget them. Or di naman po kaya ay hindi natin magets or hindi magets ng iba. So, allow me to speak in both languages, English and Filipino, para hindi naman po sabihin ng iba na napaka-arte naman ni Madam, nag-English pa. So please allow me po to speak both in English and Filipino. By the way, I am a secondary school teacher and I am very proud po to be a teacher. And so, for my first topic po sa aking first vlog, I'm going to discuss these two words. I chose this topic because it's a very common mistake among us. We like posting sa ating Facebook, sa ating Instagram, and other social media platforms, and medyo kitang-kita po ang error na ito. Now, these two words, your and your, hindi po talaga sila magkahawig sa pronunciation. May konting-konti lang po silang similarity, but not totally parehong-pareho. So for the first one, okay, let me have the first word, your. Okay, this one is the abbreviated form or the contracted form of the words you are. So look at this sentence po. Okay, you are a close friend of mine, or you are amazing. Okay, okay, ayan po ang gamit niya. You are, and then the second one, ayan, second sentence. We can also write this sentence in the contracted form of the word you are. So we retain the word you, and then we put the apostrophe, and then re, and then pagsamahin din po natin itong second sentence like this. So in Filipino, ang ibig sabihin po ng your ay ikaw ay. Okay? Ikaw ay. You are pretty. You're pretty. Ikaw ay maganda. Okay? So yun po yung first word. Your. Hindi po your. Kasi hindi naman natin siya binabasa. Pag buo siya, hindi naman natin siya binabasang pag sinabi nating you're pretty, you're a close friend of mine, sa pagbuo po yung words, hindi naman natin siya binabasa as you are. So we should not say your, but we say your. Diba? You're amazing. You are. Okay. So, how about the second one? Ayan po. How do we read this? Ito po, paano po natin to binabasa? Binabasa po natin as your. Hindi po your. Your. In Filipino, ito po ay ang iyong. Okay. Ang iyong. So, pag gagawa po tayo ng sentence using this word, your bag is on the table. Ayan po. Your bag. Ang iyong bag ay nasa itaas or ibabaw ng mesa or nasa mesa. Okay? Hindi po natin ipinagpapalit ito dun sa isa na your. Your bag is on the table. Kasi po, kung tatagalugin natin iyan, ay hindi po tama ang meaning. So, pag tinagalog natin yan, try natin. Your bag is on the table. Ikaw ay bag. Nasa lamesa. Something like that. Okay? So, before we make a sentence, of course, check po muna natin yung meaning. Okay? Tapos, may ibang sentence pa like, congratulations on your new achievement. Tapos, yung your po na ginamit ay yung you are. Okay? Dapat ito po yung ginagamit. Okay? Kung ang ibig sabihin po natin ay ang sa iyong. Okay? Ang iyong. Okay, let me clarify this po. Hindi po ako nagmamagaling. Gusto ko lang pong makatulong. Hindi ko rin po sinasabi na ang English ay basehan ng katalinuhan or na dapat lahat tayo alam natin ang English. A lot of people ang successful hindi dahil sa galing nila sa English pero dahil sa kanilang pagod at pagsisikap. Well, marami din naman pong successful people dahil din sa galing nila sa English, sa language, sa yung mga teachers, professors, okay, or sa ibang field. One more thing, ang successful nakadepende sa atin. And now, if you love posting sa Facebook, Instagram, or kahit saan pa, it's your freedom. On my part, gusto ko lang pong maitama or ma-point out ang error na ito para at least the next time you use them, itong mga words na to, ay nasa tamang way na. And I would like to share my knowledge po sa lahat. At least I'm doing something para makatulong po para malaman natin mga basics sa English. May iba na po siguro mga vlogs na kamukha ng akin pero idagdag na lang po natin yung akin. So, I hope, okay, this vlog helped you in your understanding about these two words. And sana po may natutunan tayo kahit pa paano sa aking first vlog. Please subscribe po to my channel and watch my next video uploads. Thank you very much po and God bless.